It was like night and day. I don't have pain now. I can put pressure on that leg. Right after the procedure, I could put pressure on the leg. I had crutches that I bought especially for the procedure. I didn't need them.
The procedure lasted, I believe, about an hour and a half. It was outpatient surgery, so I went in the morning and I came out in the early afternoon. Everything was exactly as I expected them to be.
3 weeks out, I could probably go dancing, and I don't think he'd be happy if I did. His biggest thing to me is take your time. And I'm so excited not to be in pain. I just want to go, go, go.